Hello everybody. They asked me to do a how-to video on our jump start system. Let's go ahead and talk about it. So on a Prevost conversion coach, we have 3 sets of batteries, but we're going to talk about 2 today. We've got the chassis batteries that start the engine on a coach, and then we've got the house batteries. We've got them displayed here on this coach. This is a used coach we've got here. 2 separate sets of batteries. One starts the engine, one runs everything on the house. So we're using 12-volt batteries to get 12 and 24 volts because the engine starting system on a Prevost coach is a 24-volt system. What happens if the chassis batteries go dead? You're dead in the water, you can't move the coach. And you can't easily find a 24-volt system like you can for a car, which is a 12-volt system. How do we jump start a 24-volt system on a Prevost coach? Some of the 18-wheel tow trucks have 24-volt capabilities, but it's kind of hard to find. So what we've done at Marathon Coach, we're doing the same thing with our house system as Prevost does with their chassis batteries, a 24-volt system. If the chassis batteries go dead on a Prevost coach, we've got a jump start button at the dash that we can use to, we just push it. It engages a heavy-duty jump start relay up here, lets the house batteries connect to the chassis batteries as a backup system, and start the engine on a coach.